Imagine a world where humans could digest anything for sustenance. What would that look like? First off, let's consider the staggering amount of food that gets wasted daily. 1.3 billion tons, according to the UNFIO. Instead of letting that food rot away, we could simply eat it all. But could we survive on things like rocks, metal, or even concrete? It sounds crazy, but let's dive into this thought experiment. If we could somehow digest wood, it wouldn't be such a stretch. In fact, our bodies already break down starch present in plants, and lo and behold, wood contains starch too. Some animals, like cows, have unique stomachs filled with microbes to help them munch on cellulose found in grass and other vegetation. If we could mimic that with our guts, we could technically chomp on tree bark without the imminent threat of scurvy. Now let's crank up the wildometer to ingesting rocks. Rocks are made up of minerals that our bodies need, like calcium and iron. Imagine biting into a stone and getting a calcium boost. Sounds like a superhuman ability, right? But let's not forget to add some flavor in this gastronomical revolution. The idea here is that if we could digest these odd materials, it would change our relationship with food and waste. Now let's jump into concrete. Think about it. It's made up of cement, sand, water, and gravel. Cement is rich in potassium and sodium. It could be like a science project dish that unexpectedly packs nutrients. This wouldn't just change what we eat, it could reshape our environmental impact too. Here's the kicker. If humans could digest these unconventional materials, the way we manage waste would radically alter. Recycling systems could shift dramatically. Why sort plastic from glass when you have a digester at home? In an ideal world, pollution might decrease. Not because we stopped generating it, but because we started consuming it. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Our diets would be so homogenized. Dining out might transform into a new kind of existential crisis. Picture a high-end restaurant serving gourmet metals on fine china. How would chefs reinvent cuisine when ingredients are so unconventional? Would they even have jobs in such a world? Or would everyone prefer yummy concrete plates in the comfort of their homes, while we tackle food scarcity and perhaps save the planet from excessive agricultural practices? We might also run into a new kind of barrier here, the joy of eating. It's one thing to survive, it's another to thrive. How do we replace the rich flavors and textures with something so fundamentally different? Our comfort food cravings would likely lead to culinary despair. So what's the verdict? If we could eat anything, we might create a healthier planet. But the joy of dining out and the vibrant lifestyle that comes with it could suffer. Imagine a thriving planet that feels just a bit emptier. Would you take a bite out of concrete for the sake of sustainability? It's a wild thought, isn't it? Thanks for tuning in today! Remember, the next time you're about to throw food away, think about what it might turn into if we could digest it all. Stay curious and see you next time.
Please subscribe!